everyone, it's great to see you. Today I want to do a hydrangea unboxing, and you know that I have 94 hydrangeas. This makes 95. Oh, this is so exciting. That means next year we're probably gonna hit 100. Oh my goodness. Okay, well 95 is exciting, and I was not planning on getting another hydrangea. But you know, something happens and you have to get another one. So I ordered this hydrangea from Hydrangeas Plus. This is not a sponsored video, but I have ordered many times from Hydrangeas Plus, and I have to say, every order has been wonderful. And they have unusual hydrangeas. They have many hydrangeas you can't get anymore. And they have recently posted their new for this coming year hydrangeas. Oh, and they always send a lovely Hydrangeas Plus catalog, which I enjoy so much. And when I went online to see the new hydrangeas that were out, this hydrangea jumped out at me. So one thing you'll notice when you go to the Hydrangeas Plus website is that they have hydrangeas in different sizes, not sizes, different years. That you can purchase, a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, or a 3-year-old. Obviously, the older your hydrangea, the bigger root ball it's going to have. I was able to get a 3-year-old in this variety, and this is a type of macrophylla that I had never seen before called Angel. And when you see the picture up on the screen, you are going to know why I ordered it. This is a bi-colored hydrangea, so outlined in the white, pink or blue in the center, but the petals are serrated. I have never seen anything like this. I am so excited. This is different, and that's what I'm looking for now. As I get up in numbers of hydrangeas, I want something really unusual. So this met that 2-colored look that I was going for, that you know I love in Mars. And I got that new one, my beautiful diva, to try, and now I have Angel. I went online this morning. Currently, as of this morning, Angel was out of stock. But they also have one that is bicolored and serrated that is a lace cap hydrangea. I don't do a ton of lace caps, but that is a spectacular looking hydrangea on there too. So you might want to take a look at Hydrangeas Plus and just look at how great this is. So of course, it's late in the season, so we are trimmed. This is looking great though. It is healthy. This is going to be hardy down to zone 6, which is right about where we are, zone 6 to 7. So I'm going to put this in one of my grow bags, and it will go into the shed to be protected for this year, because I really want to see those blossoms next year. I'm sure you do too. It says it's a mop head with frilly 2-tone petals, pink or blue with white edges, grows 4 by 4. So it's kind of a mid-range in size, but it will be just fine in a grow bag. So thank you to Hydrangeas Plus, because I always find great things with you, and I love those harder to find hydrangeas that you can supply. And they're all the way out in Oregon. So this hydrangea was shipped out, I believe, on Monday. Today is Thursday, and here it is, looking great. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.